on the timeline. That's where the magic happens. Yeah, all editors know that's where the magic happens. I'm gonna talk about a couple of ways you can do to bring your media on your timeline faster. Let's get it. The obvious way to do this, of course, is to just drag and drop whatever you are going to edit on your timeline. But I think it's faster and better to use the shortcuts. And the keys that you're gonna use for this is Q, W, and E. E will import your clip at the end of whatever you have on the main storyline. So if you don't have anything yet, the clip will just go on the timeline. And then after that, whatever you add with this key will go to the end of the main storyline. I like this key a lot. I use this key a lot because, yeah, it's very simple. Just press E and then you're good to go. The W key is used to insert your clip on the main storyline. And the keyword here, guys, insert. So wherever the playhead is on the timeline, the clip will be inserted right there. Look at this. It will create a cut and just insert the clip right there. To be honest with you guys, I don't use the W key as much as the other two, but you can use it every now and then, maybe for B-rolls, or instead of creating a cut and then drag and drop, you do all of that in one key. Now the shortcut Q, I use this key probably the most out of all of them, just because this key allows you to connect a clip to a clip on your main storyline. You can use it again with B-rolls. So just choose the clip you want to import in your timeline and press Q. And the clip will go where the playhead is. And it's gonna be a connected clip. You can also do that with a title or a generator or even audio. The only thing with the audio is that it will go under the main storyline, but you can use it with everything you wanna import as a connected clip, just like this. And if you wanna connect it on the left side of the playhead, just press Shift Q, okay, like this. And that's it. If you guys got any value from this video, go check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users. Subscribe today, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.